Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today we've got the HP Photosmart 5512. Now if you're having any issues with your print quality, a certain color just isn't printing, or just one of your colors isn't printing out the way it used to, this is a method you can go ahead and use to unclog your print head, which is what happens. And it happens because of dry ink usually, sometimes, but very rarely because of other reasons. So if you're running low on ink, if you have dry ink, that's the first thing I recommend you do. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to go ahead and buy some ink for this printer, some new ink. If you want to wait to do this project until you get the new ink, that would be what I would recommend. So you're going to want to go ahead and have it just like this. Now you're going to want to have the printer off. Make sure it's off when you're doing this, so that any isopropyl alcohol or print head cleaner solution doesn't get on the electrical components there. You can end up damaging it. Now the first thing you're gonna want to have is a folded up piece of paper towel. You're gonna go ahead and put that right down in there. Okay, once it's right in there, right under the print head, you're gonna want to go ahead and grab your syringe. Now I'm gonna leave a link again in the description below for a syringe kit, which is it's going to be very helpful. It's actually a lot better than this one. I use this one, it's a generic one, but the one that you're going to go ahead and be able to see with the link, that one has different components where you can kind of put a piece on top of the nozzle there, and then you can go ahead and shoot down the cleaning fluid or isopropyl alcohol if you run out of that. So the first thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is go ahead and go over each nozzle. Okay, just like that. With one hand, you can go ahead and grab it. And actually with the kit, it's going to be much easier than this. With this one, I have to do it. But you put it over the nozzle, and you're going to go ahead and shoot the fluid right through. And you're going to do that on each nozzle. That's basically all you have to do. It's as easy as that. And once you're done, make sure you go ahead, and you can already see there's just a little bit that I pushed there, kind of went through to the other side. So that's why you're going to want to have that paper towel there. Now so you can do that and repeat it on whatever color. So if it's a specific color, you just would focus on that color. So again, go ahead and look in the link. There are links in the description below for printer ink, and also for the syringe kit, which you're going to need to go ahead and do this project. That's really all there is to it. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and comment below. Make sure to like the video and also subscribe for more videos on similar printers. Thanks for watching, and until next time.